Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today Kitty and I are going to the farm with Duggee and the squirrels. Hi squirrels! Where's the farmer? Here he comes on his tractor. Everyone say hi to Farmer Joe. He's going to teach us about the animals on his farm. Come on in, he says. Most of the animals are in the barn to stay warm on this cold day. Here's my cow. The cow provides us with yummy milk. Moo, says the cow. What's that? Said the squirrels. That's our little barn mouse. Don't worry, he won't hurt you. He's just passing through. Quack, 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 quack. There's the farm duck. He wanders all around. And here's our sheep and our pig. Come on out, piggy, says the pig. Farmer Joe loves to plant fresh fruits and vegetables in the garden. Corn, carrots, green peppers, tomatoes, and lettuce. Yummy! They're ready to pick. No, Bunny, please don't eat my lettuce. Silly bunny. He hops away. Well, thank you for showing us your farm, Farmer Joe. And now the squirrels get to take turns riding on Farmer Joe's tractor. And thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.